Hello everyone, what's up? I hope everyone is doing great and we are really super excited. Even we are doing really fantastic time because still you can see we are basically with me another two company. We are here for enjoying like journey by boat, and you can see this is evening time. It's probably evening, but it's afternoon time actually. So you can see the hairs and water lily. It's really amazing. We are collecting water lily and enjoying together. And now I'm gonna show you my two company. Here is one. His name is Tuhin Ahmed, and another is boat riders. My uncle, Imun Ahmed. Oh my goodness, what a view! You can see, guys. What a view behind my boat riders. Oh my goodness, really impressive, really impressive. Even my uncle Ismail also amazing. You guys, if you fall in love with my uncle, must share so that I can share so with my uncle. So, everyone's become attracted. They are impressed to hear your smile. So by the way, and so now I gonna show you the view of my village. It's not actually my village, it's beside my village. It's really amazing. You can see there is Jia Kuli. Its name is okay. Definitely I will show the road. Here as you can see the road, and the basically I fall in love this type of natural thing. When I can see this kind of, I fall in love with that because I love nature. I love, guys already that I love connected with nature. So it's really pleasures. It's give me pleasure when I can see this type of weather as well as environment actually. So you can see, guys, if you wanna journey by boat with us, must come. I invite you guys so you can also enjoy this type of size, this type of environment that's really fulfill of nature. Oh my goodness. So one more thing that I mentioned another video, that when we are connected with nature, then we get pleasures because our almighty Allah created. So that's why I think this type of pleasure we get from that. Oh my god, my uncle saying that there's a big fish that he already saw that. I don't know. I can't see. By the way, you can see, guys. So what should I say? I don't know. I'm just forgot everything because when we are become too much excited, even happy, that time it's very easy to forget everything. So now again I will show you my two company, and one is busy at their mobile phone. He's just playing kill a class of clan game, and another one is my uncle. My uncle is really a cool boy. So we can see the two company. Basically this like afternoon time we can't forget actually because okay. Okay, by the way, guys, so that's all for now. See you in the another video. Bye. I love you.